Okay, for this intro video to the challenge of the Pinterest and Behance one, whether you're in photography, graphic design 1, or graphic design 2, you'll be doing the same thing. I'm going to start here by going to the module section here, and I'm going to choose the Pinterest Behance screenshot or screencast under challenges. Now, I've recorded a whole bunch of videos here on how to actually create the board, how to use screencast software, how to share the video, or how to use Screencast-O-Matic if you want to use it on your phone. I've also included links and stuff here, but essentially what you're going to be doing is creating a Pinterest account. And Pinterest is a great way to post and link to different boards and have tons of different inspiration information, things that you're interested in, and I'll be giving you more assignments while you'll be using this. And then once you've pinned things to your Pinterest board, you're going to be pulling them from Behance. Behance is Adobe's portfolio software that is sorted based on types of files or based on the software that's being used, and you can actually link to the photo in your Pinterest account. So you'll be posting things here. I've got a variety of different things that I was interested in, posted them on here, and then I use Screencastify. That's the one that I've used. If you have a computer, that one's easier to use. If you're doing this on a phone, I would recommend try Screencast-O-Matic. And what this will do is you'll record a short screencast. This does not require that you include the webcam. And then once that is done, and all those pieces are detailed here, once that is done, you'll actually go to your discussions. And in the discussions section, you'll go to your challenges. And you're going to choose the challenge you're currently working on. So that would be the Pinterest Behance board. And you're going to choose reply. And you will link it to the video that you have. And you'll post the reply. You can see here I had a student that already did it. So if you click on his, you will see the basic information that he has. I can click play.
Alright, so this is mine.
And he went through and explained the 5 things that he posted on his Pinterest board and uploaded. That's the big picture of what you're doing with this challenge. The primary reason for doing this is so that you have a chance to create an account for Pinterest, create an account for Behance, and then get a little bit of work done to be able to screencast and post something. So that is the challenge. Take a look at the module for more videos and more information. And if you struggle with any of those, go ahead and contact me and let me know.